How to enable the retro tape player UI on the new HibyDigital M500. Come with me and take you back to the retro era. First, complete the firmware update. Let's connect the HibyDigital M500 to the network first. Find the online upgrade portal for your device. Update to the latest official firmware. After the firmware upgrade is completed, the retro mode can be unlocked with one click. Select the tape drive in the theme list. After confirming the application, exclusive retro tape drive. In terms of control, it combines a sense of retro ritual with modern convenience. We can use the physical buttons. One-click playback, pause, cut songs up and down. The retro ritual of an old tape machine. It also supports sensitive touchscreen operation. The old and new control experience is directly two-way. One device, two experiences. This is the unique charm of the HibyDigital M500.